Welcome to Natgraph. We are Europe's largest producer of high-performance drying and curing solutions for industrial print and coating applications.
We're about to take a tour of our excellent factory from where we supply equipment around the world.
The process begins in the sheet metal department. We take flat sheet steel and cut each part out on the laser or punch machine to create two-dimensional pieces. We then fold these into 3D parts, which are put together into kits for fabrication. Our skilled fabricators take the 3D parts and weld them into module and hood assemblies. In this area, we apply protective and decorative finish to the fabricated parts. Here, we install the major organs into the modules. These include fan and motor assemblies, chiller coils, ducting and UV ballast. Once the organs have been fitted, we then install the arteries. These include electrical wiring to power the components and distributed control panels. This is where we assemble the dryer hoods. There are 4 basic types: UV, Air Force with infrared and chiller. We bring the module base together with the correct hood type. Once finished, we have a completed module. We then configure the modules together to match the agreed dryer specification. The mains power cables are installed and the PLC is programmed. We are then ready to power the dryer, after which our skilled technicians will check all functions are operating. Finally, we complete a detailed test and calibration procedure. Alongside our factory is our Drying Solutions Centre. This is often where our customer's journey begins. In this well-equipped facility, we can define, optimize and specify the drying needs of your process.